What's going on, everybody? Today we're working on Scotty Kilmer's favorite pickup truck, the Toyota Tacoma. If this video helps you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Tools you're going to need are a ratchet and a 13mm socket, an extension, a long one, a short one, a 10mm, and that's it. You're going to take your 10mm, remove the negative terminal on the battery, pull it off. You're going to take this plastic cover off of that battery post on the alternator. You use a 10mm, remove the nut. Slides right off. I'm going to squeeze this here and it slides off. It goes on the back of the alternator right there. And the tensioner is here. And I'm just going to push down on it and slide the belt off. Don't see a belt routing diagram anywhere on this truck. There's 2 bolts on the alternator, one on top and one on the bottom, 13mm. I'm going to put it on the extension. Pull out the bottom one. Wiggle it out. There it goes. And maneuver it out of the engine compartment. Careful of this reservoir, it's plastic. And there we go. And it's out. So we put those 2 bolts back in. Installation's just in reverse or removal. Put those 2 wires and the plug back on, connect your battery,